एक्सट्रीम 160R 4 वोल्ट्स की हाइलाइट्स। इंजन कैपेसिटी 163.2 घन सेंटीमीटर। माइलेज 45.5 केम्पल। ट्रांसमिशन 5 स्पीड मैनुअल। कर्ब वेट 144 किलोग्राम। फ्यूल टैंक कैपेसिटी 12 लीटर्स। सीट हाइट 795 मिलीमीटर। डायमेंशंस और शैसीज। कर्ब वेट 144 किलोग्राम। सीट हाइट 795 मिलीमीटर। ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस 165 मिलीमीटर। ओवरऑल लेंथ 2029 मिलीमीटर। ओवरऑल विड्थ 793 मिलीमीटर। ओवरऑल हाइट 1052 मिलीमीटर। व्हील बेस 1333 मिलीमीटर। मैन्युफैक्चरर वारंटी स्टैंडर्ड वारंटी 5 ईयर। स्टैंडर्ड वारंटी 70,000 किलोमीटर। सर्विस और मेंटेनेंस शेड्यूल। फर्स्ट सर्विस 500-750 किलोमिलीसेकंड 60 days. Second service 6,650 comes 180 days. Third service 12,000-1250 comes 360 days. Fourth service 18,000-1850 comes 540 days. Hero Extreme 160R 4 volts summary. Price: Hero Extreme 160R 4 volts price for its variant Extreme 160R 4 volts double disc starts at Rs. 1,28,494. The price for the other variants Extreme 160R 4 volts double disc connected. Extreme 160R 4 volts Premium and Extreme 160R 4 volts Premium 2024 RRS 1,33,968, 1,37,653 रुपए and RS 1,39,601. The mentioned Extreme 160R 4 volts prices are the average ex-showroom. Hero Extreme 160R 4 volts is a street bike available in 4 variants and 5 colors. The Hero Extreme 160R 4 volts is powered by 163.2 cc BS6 engine which develops a power of 16.6 bhp and a torque of 14.6 Newton meters. With both front and rear disc brakes. Hero Extreme 160R 4 volts comes up with anti-locking braking system. This Extreme 160R 4 volts bike weighs 145 kilograms and has a fuel tank capacity of 12 liters. The Extreme 160R 4 volts is a premium commuter by Hero MotoCorp. With a 4-valve engine, it is a more performance-oriented version of the standard Extreme 160R which gets 2 valves. The Extreme 160R 4 volts is on par, or better in some areas, as compared to its rivals like the TVS Apache RTR 164 volts in terms of equipment and performance. Starting with the features on offer, it gets full LED lighting and a negative LCD console with crucial readouts. The higher spec variants get Bluetooth connectivity and offer access to SMS and call notifications. The latest 2024 version of the bike also gets a panic brake alert and a drag race timer. Powering the bike is a 163cc, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine with a 4-valve setup. Linked to a 5-speed gearbox, this motor makes 16.6 bhp and 14.4 Newton meter, which is 1.6 bhp and 0.4 Newton meters more than the 2-valve model. Notably, the new engine on the Extreme 160R 4 volts uses a bigger bore and a shorter stroke than the 2-valve motor. The hardware on the base and connected variants retain the conventional telescopic front forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock to handle the shock absorption duties. The Premium, on the other hand, gets upside-down front forks that enhance the muscular looks of this motorcycle besides aiding in handling and stability. Meanwhile, the braking hardware is identical across the range. And the Hero Extreme 160R 4 volts uses disc brakes on both wheels in a single-channel ABS. Only the top-end trim gets dual-channel ABS.